Good morning, dear students. I am teaching you chapter friction, chapter 12, and name of the chapter 12 is the friction, and I will continue with the rolling friction. Rolling friction. What is the rolling friction? Before we discuss rolling function, let us perform the following activity. Activity is the to prove that activity 12.5. To prove that rolling friction is far less than limiting friction. In rolling friction, so activity 12.5, to prove that rolling friction is far less than limiting friction. Materials required. What is the materials needed for this activity? That is the wooden block provided with hook, spring balance, 4 pencils with round surface, and method. What is the method? Proceed as in activity 12.2 and thus find the limiting friction. Activity 12.2 is the to prove that limiting friction depend upon the nature of surface in contact with each other. So you have to proceed with activity 12.2 and thus find the limiting friction for the wooden block when placed over a tabletop. Then now place 4 pencils parallel to one another. You will place 4 pencils, 2, 3, 4 parallel to one another, and such they are at a distance of about 2 cm. Distance between 4 pencils is 2 cm, and from each other. Over the pencils place the wooden block, and then here you will place the wooden block, and in such a way that when force is applied on it, the pencils under it roll in the direction of applied force. When you have to apply force, then when the force is applied on it, the pencils under it roll in the direction of applied force. Then attach the hook of the spring balance to the wooden block and gently apply force towards right till wooden block just starts sliding over the pencils. You will notice that force required is far less than the limiting friction. This force of friction is called the rolling friction, because when you have to apply the applied force here, then it will roll, and this type of friction is called the rolling friction. So definition. What is the definition of rolling friction? Rolling friction. The friction experienced by a body when it is made to move over, when it is made to move over bodies like roller, or a wheel is called rolling friction. Is called rolling friction. What is the rolling friction? The friction experienced by a body when it is made to move over bodies like roller or a wheel is called rolling friction. How is rolling friction caused? Next is the how is rolling friction caused. The roller or wheel deforms, change the shape. Deforms means change the shape. Temporarily the surface on which it is rolling, thereby causing a depression on account of its weight. And in this process, the roller or the wheel itself gets deformed, means change the shape temporarily at the point of contact of the surface of body. How is rolling friction caused? First one is that the roller or the wheel deforms, change in shape temporarily the surface on which it is rolling, which surface it is rolling, and it causing a depression on account of its weight. And then second, in this process the roller or the wheel itself gets deformed temporarily at the weight of contact, and because of the above deformations, a kind of inclined plane is formed in the direction of motion of the roller or the wheel. Thus a force is required to overcome this temporary but continuously forward moving inclined plane. The force applied against the continuously forward moving inclined plane is the equivalent of rolling friction. I will draw the diagram. In diagram you can see that this is the roller or a wheel, and inclined plane, this is inclined plane, and this is the surface, and here it is depression. This is from the above discussion, it is clear that the smaller the depression, if depression is smaller, formed at the point of contact of wheel or roller with a given surface, the lesser is the force of rolling friction and vice versa. If smaller the depression formed, this depression is smaller at the point of contact of wheel or roller here, and with a given surface, the lesser is the force of rolling friction. So furthermore we can say that rolling friction is far less Then the sliding friction. This is why whenever possible sliding friction is replaced by rolling friction, and this is achieved by using wheels, ball bearing, roller bearing, etc. Examples of rolling friction. I will tell you some examples of rolling friction. Rolling friction, when a car or bus or bicycle moves on the road, a part of its wheel and the surface of the road gets continuously deforms, means change in the shape. Thus force has to apply to overcome these deformations, and it is equivalent to the rolling friction. And it is for the same reason that more force is required, and due to this reason more force is required when the tires do not have sufficient air pressure, because deformation produced is very large. And conversely, if the tires are heavily inflated, the deformation produced is very small, and hence the rolling friction decreases. However, the ride becomes very bumpy, and furthermore it becomes difficult to apply brakes as the vehicle does not stay on its path during the application of brake. This is some examples of the rolling friction. Second example, the wheels of the train are made of steel. You know that wheels of the train is made up of steel, and so the are the railway tracks. Thus the deformation produced is very small. What is the deformation is produced is very small, and hence they have a very small rolling friction. If deformation is very small, then rolling friction is also very small, and it is because this is small rolling friction that trains run very fast, and due to this rolling friction is very small, so this train run very fast. And third example, these days luggage such as suitcase is provided with teeny wheels. This time you can see that which kind of suitcase is coming, means small tires are there, so it is very easy to take. These wheels offer very small amount of rolling friction, and these wheels often very small amount of rolling friction that are easy to move. And roller skates have teeny wheels. These wheels have very small rolling friction and help in fast motion of skater. So this is the example of the rolling friction. This is example of the rolling friction. And in rolling friction you see the definition. The friction experienced by a body when it is made to move over bodies like roller or a wheel is called the rolling friction. And then you see that how is rolling friction caused, and diagram I draw, and then examples of rolling friction. What is the examples of rolling friction? So 1, 2, 3, 4 examples are there, and you will read. Now next topic is the effects of friction. What is the effects of friction? So this chapter, what is given, what I taught today, rolling friction, about the rolling friction, you will read properly. And first you will read this activity 12.5, and to prove that rolling friction is far less than limiting friction, first you will read this activity. Then after that you will read how is rolling friction caused, and then examples of rolling friction. And then next topic in this is the effects of friction. This is all about the rolling friction.